What's up, my peoples? Hopefully you've had a great day or evening or night, or you're waking up in the morning right now and watching this. I am having a great day. It's a really sideways day, so I am in a trade. I'm hoping for that to get one leg up, so that's what I'm gonna be pushing in today's episode of Cryptogenics. And I wanted to also lead you guys to my Twitter page, which we're on right now. My handle is at the BTC Man. You can find me on Instagram as well. So do subscribe to me. All right, peoples. I'm gonna get this up to 1,000 in the next couple months. So let's get there. On to Bitcoin news. Coin market cap. So Bitcoin today is at 239,562,000,000. 24-hour volume is at 83,596, and BTC dominance is at a cool 65.7%. So let's check everything out. So yeah, today's been sideways. A little bit of pullback, but I did get into a trade because I'm thinking we're gonna head up a little bit higher for one more last pump. But yeah, things are not too exciting today. I'm pretty sure something big is going to happen very soon. Right now I have a Bitstamp Bitcoin daily chart open, and I pulled up a fib up, and we were in that golden pocket area right here. And the 200 basically just wrecked us, but it's back in our place, so we're just having a little pullback. So I don't see it. I see it like hitting 8,000. What is this? 8,400 area right here, but then bouncing up for one more try, people, because look at this. Stoch RSI, yeah, it could go a little bit lower, but we're gonna head up. That's what I'm crossing fingers. Okay, so let's move on to the next. I got some, move myself real quick. I got some areas right here that I'm looking at. So yeah, we do fall a little bit. We'll hit towards that 8,450. And if we break down even lower, then we'll go to this 7,700 area. And if we get lower, it'll be 7,200. It's going to be super hard to really ever break this right here. If it does, then we will slam down really hard. But I'm expecting us to retest this, back to this 9,100 area, everyone. Here we go right here. So you can see right here in this idea that we got this really strong accumulation, and expecting to hit the previous highs right here, which I'm hoping, everyone. So let's get back to this previous support area right here. Come on. We're in the previous support, but we want to get it back up here. And now we're just gonna have to wait to see what's gonna happen, right? And next we're gonna go on to Bitcoin news. All right, so Bitcoin news. Bitcoin, this is off of Bitcoinist. Bitcoin won't drop below 7K again in our lifetime. That's a really strong statement. This is from some Keen Island advisors. We got some rundown action right here. The rundown is never look back on the price ever again. Back in the sides, yeah. Ignoring bubbles, long-term gains are incredibly steady. And how long can Bitcoin go between now and August? Let's check it out. Yeah, this is Timothy Peterson of Keen Island Alternative Advisors. Never look back. The never look back price is essentially the last time that Bitcoin was at a particular price level. After that point, it only went up and never again dropped below that price. The current NLB price will always be the current price. However, if the price drops back down again, then that new lowest price will be retrospectively applied to what is now the current NLB price. By definition, the NLB price can only go in one direction. Otherwise, the price will have looked back and all previous higher levels will be wiped. It's pretty crazy. Bitcoin is first reported on the NLB price back in October last year, and there's a fuller explanation in that article. So there's some article somewhere. I'll have the description down there, and you guys can look at it. And anyways, one more thing, if you haven't put a like the video right now, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Thank you, my Bitcoin heads and crypto heads. Ignoring bubbles, long-term gains are incredibly steady. What is perhaps most remarkable about the NLB price is the uniformity of the graph it produces plotted against the square root of time. Sounds very interesting. The NLB price moves out any bubbles, spikes, or other phenomenon and gives an indication of the steady long-term gains over the lifespan of Bitcoin so far. Peterson recently tweeted noting that the NLB price had been flirting with the lower bound lately and what he believes is its true fair value. While NLB price usually drops a little below this value, it does suggest that we should expect some upwards pressure in the near future. Let's check this out. Bitcoin's never look back price has been flirting with the lower bound. What I think is a true fair value, by the way, lately. It usually drops a little below this value. However, today's NLB equals 6,700. August NLB equals 10K. Very, very interesting. Alright, so Peterson predicted an NLB price of 10K by this August. Ooh, that would be, if we were hitting 10K, we're heading up, peoples. How low could we retrace in the meantime? What is the never look back price that we have confidently reached and will never look back to? Based on research which looks entirely at fundamentals, I don't think Bitcoin has much chance of dropping below 7K ever, at least not in our lifetimes. I think there's been a lot of people that are pretty influential that's been saying like we're never going to hit our lows of 6,000s again. So that would seem to be confident prediction that we have already reached an NLB price of 7K. Peterson's analysis also recently suggested that grayscale GBTC gap had to close just before it did. So we'll just have to wait and see whether he is right again this time. Looking back at his earlier predictions, so far Peterson has been incredibly accurate. So this guy's been pretty accurate. Should definitely research this guy, this Peterson dude. Last year he predicted in March that Bitcoin would close the year at around 7,800, which as we now know was incredibly close to the mark. In fact, Bitcoin's mean price throughout December was around 7,400. Very interesting. There's a chart right here. Very interesting. Okay, so question, do you think Bitcoin will ever break beneath 7,000 again in our lifetime? Come on, people, throw your comments. No matter when you're watching this video, throw it down in my comment section. Booyah! And on to the last story of today, why Bitcoin price could hit 100,000 in 2021. Let's have a feel good story, everyone. The rundown. No January blues for Bitcoin. I don't want it. I wanted some gains. Price break in 2021. The month of January is usually bearish for Bitcoin price, but this one has bucked that trend. It has been the best start of the year since 2012, but analysts are eyeing even greater gains in 2021. That sounds good to me. I'm feeling happy. Jeez. A dump down to 8,500 a few hours ago was responded to rapidly as the following candle on the hourly chart was larger and green. Bitcoin price quickly moved back into its short-term range-bound channel, pushing to the top of it at 8,700. A sustained move higher is looking likely as there is least resistance to the upside, and 9K could be back in play soon. Oh, please. I can't really talk too much. For some reason, my tonsils or air is pretty swollen. So bear with me, peeps. Oh, that's why I'm talking kind of slow right now. Monthly returns for Bitcoin prices January for the past 5 years have been negative. 2015 was the worst January with a loss of 27%, followed by 2018 with the asset slump 21.5%. Last year, Bitcoin price dropped 10% in the first month of the year, and only September has been worse on average over the past 9 years. I feel you there. So far, the case has been different for 2020, with BTC gaining 20% to current levels in just 3 weeks. The month is not over yet, but a dump back to 7,150 looks pretty slim at this moment. Hoo-ha! Even if it does go down that way, I'm gonna buy more. Whether that's the whole point. Like, even if it does go down, then buy more. I mean, I look at it as a positive in both ways. If it goes up, I'm invested in Bitcoin, so if it goes up, great. If it goes lower, I'm going to invest more too. You know what I mean? Bitcoin blogger Sylvain Sorel has conducted an in-depth analysis into BTC movements at the beginning of the year. The study has been done to highlight the cyclical side of the evolution of Bitcoin price, which each halving has a starting point. And I do not think the halving is going to do too much to Bitcoin, guys. I think it's already priced in, because it's like they know the exact date of it. You know what I mean? The research goes back to 2012 and starts the comparison there. In the same 20 days in that year, BTC price increased by a similar amount, around 23%, to reach $6.50. Can you imagine buying it at $6.50? Who wouldn't have wanted to load them up? Exactly. Good Lord, jeez. By the end of the year, prices had increased by 157% to end at $13.50. I would have bought so much at $13.50. The following year, after the halving, resulted in an epic Bitcoin price pump of 5,800% to end 2013 over $7.50. That's why we're in this game, because of the gains. The gains are ridiculous. This is Lamborghini, bringing back the Lamborghini rich, right? Mansions and Lambos. The next year was one of correction with the bear. Hey, and I wouldn't be buying it. Even if I had the money, I would not buy a Lamborghini or a mansion, everyone. I'm not intimate, wasting money and stuff like that. If I did have the money, I would definitely be helping people. And, of course, my family and stuff. But definitely living a chill life and helping people. With the bear market taking prices back down again, while 2015 showed signs of recovery. And I know so many people are saying, yeah, right. But I've had nice cars and all kinds of stuff. So all that stuff is whatever's. It's in the backside of my mirror. You know what I mean? Recovery at the end. 2016 was the year of the second halving, and while January was flat, the asset gained 123% by the end of the year. 2017 was the year following the halving again, saw a monumental bull run, and we were on that one, with Bitcoin prices rising 1,450%. Oh, so crazy. I bought like Bitcoin at like 3,000 something. 2018, as we all know, not this time around, or it was like 2,000 something. That was in 2017 or before then. That's when I bought them for close to 3. 2018, as we all know, was a mirror of 2014 with a huge correction, and 2019 has shown signs of recovery, with BTC gaining 85% over the year. Yes, it has, people. We are in it to win it. So whether it goes down or up, we are in it to win it, because we're addicted to this. That's why we're in it, and we want to make gains, but as well we want to be a part of this transformative technology. So everyone that is watching this, pat yourself in the back. double pat. BTC Man is giving you hugs right now, every single one of you. All right, hugs. Anyways, everyone, thank you for watching. As I said, if you haven't gotten a chance to put a like and subscribe to my channel, please. I want to get myself up to 100,000 in within a year by next year. So that would be super awesome. And I'm speaking it out, so I want it to happen. Okay, 100,000 by January 2021. Thank you so much, everyone, and I will see you guys later. BTC Man out.